really that good. Just watch the space, making some racket. Give you a taste of a brand new classic. Boom! Hey, take a look. Yeah, I'm really that good. That good. I'm really that good.
Stop wasting your time with basic AI prompts. Most people are still getting blurry, low-quality results in 2026 because they don't know the secret triggers for Nano Banana Pro. Today, I'm changing that. I'm giving you my personal vault of 1000 Pro prompts for free. We're talking 4K resolution, perfect typography, and the exact parameters I use to make these viral images.
The biggest update this year is Gemini 3's thinking mode. In the past, AI just guessed. Now, it reasons. Watch this. If I use a basic prompt, the text is gibberish. But when I add my logic parameter, it's perfect. In my 1000 prompt doc, I've already included these logic triggers for every single prompt. You just have to copy and paste. 3D vinyl toys. Category 1 is 3D vinyl. These are huge on TikTok right now. To get this look, the secret is the matte plastic and studio lighting tags. Check out these results. They look like real toys you can buy. Cinematic realism. Next is cinematic landscapes. Most people forget to define the camera lens. I've added 85mm f1.8 to these prompts to give you that professional blurry background, or bokeh, for free. If you're a business owner, Category 5 is for you. These are clean, vector-style logos. No more paying designers for simple concepts. Okay, let's talk about the 1000 prompts. I've organized them into 10 categories. Scroll. It's all here. 3D, landscapes, architecture, and more. To get this, click the link in my description. It will take you to this page. No catch, no paywall, just hit File and make a copy. This is just the start. For the next 10 days, I'm doing a daily short where I break down one specific viral prompt from this list so you can see exactly how to tweak it. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the 10-day series. Download the prompts below, and I'll see you in the first short tomorrow. Peace.